Hey there, so it's Kaz here today, and I'm going to go into another case study for a training dojo, which is one of the leading training martial arts dojos out in the States. Their prime focus being mainly Minneapolis for this particular branch, but of course they had it extended across the board. So these guys had quite an impressive site already. They're already trying quite hard on their keywords, but ultimately they're struggling with a few key areas, primarily being the link building, i.e. kind of the fuel to grow the website, and having actually good set keyword strategies in place, because they were struggling to match up what people were searching for versus what they were trying to include as content on their website. So we supported them on that front. We did an entire site audit and revamp to ultimately optimize the whole site and each page for some of the most searched terms within the site in terms of what they wanted to target. So this, includes things like MMA, martial arts for kids, self-defense for women, all these variations, of course, that are quite important in terms of what they offer. And with that considered, we've managed to get them 37 top 3 results with 47 out on page 1. So that's 47 pages ranking on page 1. That's pretty impressive across the board, especially when we look at some of the volumes. Now, with that considered, they're growing quite quickly already. They're getting about 7,000 unique visitors every month just from this initial piece of growth, because it is a very local or localized campaign. Their traffic typically will be lower, but always a higher intent, purely because they are ranking #1 for so many different keywords. And so it's worked really well for them across the board. Now, if you'd like to make this one of your campaigns as well, that's going to do quite well, do feel free to reach out to us and we can absolutely make this happen for you as well. Cheers. Bye-bye.